Hello children, today we are going to start our ninth chapter, that is Google Apps. In this chapter we will learn various apps of Google. So children, let us start with introduction to Google. Children, as you know that Google is a search engine that you already know. You are using Google to finding the solution of your problems. But Google is an American public corporation company also, which has specialization in internet related services and products. So children, Google was started by two PhD students, Larry Page and Sergey Brin, in January 1996. They were working on a project that one could zoom in close enough to read the license plates on the cars on a street. After that they worked together and come to this place. So children, Google is not only a search engine, it develops so many apps which we are using in our day-to-day life. But we are not even aware that these many apps we are using from the Google. So all those we will learn in this chapter. Children, there are so many apps which we are using by the Google, like Google Search, Google Accounts, Gmail account, Google Docs, etc. But how we can use them? Where is the entry point? We should have an Google account, Gmail account. Then we can use the Google services only. So first we have to make a Gmail account, then an email address on Gmail. Then we can use all the applications of Google by using the user ID and password of Gmail. Cloud computing. So children, what do you understand by cloud computing? Cloud computing means we have some space on the internet. Google provides us some space on the internet, then we can save our data and programs over the internet rather than on the hard drive or on our computer or in the pen drive. So Google Apps are totally based on the cloud computing. Once you saved your data in the cloud of Gmail, then you can access your files and software anywhere at any time. In traditional computer, what you have to do, you have to start an application software, you have to install it, and then you can use. But if you have the cloud computing with Gmail, then what you can do, you have to simply log in with your username and password, and then you are ready. You can use your data and you can use the Google Apps. And what do you need? You need only a web browser and internet connection and your username and password. That's it. Now we will see which commands helps us for surfing and research on the internet provided by the Google. Children, next we have Google Chrome. Google Chrome is a web browser which is used to explore the websites, and it was designed by Google only. And children, it loads very fast and runs multiple pages. Children, you can see the frequently used websites icons on the Google Chrome page. So when you will open Google Chrome, you can see the various icons which are you using frequently. And it is also free of cost. You can download it from the internet free of cost on your computer by the web address www.google.com, then Chrome. Next we have Google Maps. Children, Google Map is a web mapping service developed by the Google. I think whenever you are going with your parents to somewhere, Google Maps always accompany you. What it means? It means whenever you are going somewhere, you can search the address of any place by the help of Google Map. It tells you the nearby hotels, nearby petrol pumps, and airport, and the historical sites even. And while going somewhere, Google Maps provide directions, the starting point and the destination point. You can get the time also, how much time it will take to cover the destination, to reach the destination. And it also tells you the condition of traffic also. It has GPS. GPS means global positioning system, which identifies your location, and it also tells the user then how from which is the shortest way. And Google Maps also eliminate the need for the user to enter the starting point and enabling the website to recommended places, nearby places of internet. It shows a real-time GPS navigation, the traffic, the transit, and the details about millions of places around the way when you are going somewhere. Let us discuss now Google Translate. Google Translate is a wonderful feature by the Google. You can translate one language into another language by the help of Google Translate. The Google Translate supports so many languages like English, Arabic, Chinese, Hindi, Greek, German, so many other. You can see the list on the screen. Children, you can also download the Google Translate app on your mobile phones also, and it will visually translate printed text by the help of your camera. You can point out the camera on any text like any sign, street sign, or any instruction manual, etc., and it will convert that language into another language which you can understand. Children, now we have to discuss Google search engine. Children, you know that internet is a huge source of information, but whenever we want to search anything, the first name comes in our mind, that is Google. Google is well known for its searching. So, children, it's a fast, relevant, and largest single catalog of web pages available today. It offers images, maps, news, and their features also for locating photos, geographical directions, and news headlines also. Children, you can find anything on Google search engine, and it will provide you a list of various websites regarding your search. Now, Google Assistant. Children, it's a virtual assistant developed by Google. As you have Siri, as you have Cortana, same way if with our Android phones we have OK Google. So you know that you have to say OK Google, and then you can ask anything and it will give you response as your friend. So you can ask so many things, so many tasks to Google Assistant to perform, like quick phone, send text message, send reminders, take a selfie, send calendar events, play music, navigate places, so many other things that what you want you can ask verbally and get the response fastly. Children, next we have Google Earth. Google Earth is again an interactive mapping program that covers a vast area of Earth. Google Earth is generally considered to be remarkably accurate and extremely detailed. Children, you will amazed to listen that in few countries you can even zoom this much and close to and read the number plates on the cars on the streets. Now we will discuss few apps which are helping us to for staying in touch, provided by the Google. First of all, we have Gmail. Gmail is a web-based email application, as its name precises, that Google Mail. What it means? It means we can create, send, receive, forward, print, and delete the email messages. Initially, Gmail was available for the company employees only, but afterward it was offered to the public in 2004 for the invitation purpose. But now it's free for everyone, and it provides a huge storage capacity. Gmail is available as desktop app, web app, and mobile app also. Children, next we have Google Blogger. Blogger is a blog publishing service by the Google. As you're using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, in all these social networking sites, you are sharing your ideas with the public. So here also you can post your ideas, and you can read the others that they have published. Blogger consists of frequently updated collection of entries. Most blogs focus on a particular subject or any topic, although in a majority of blogs the subject is the person writing the blog. The entries will appear on the blogs are known as post, and when you are writing something, that act is known as posting. And the person who has so many blogs, they are known as blogger. Next we have Google Allo. Google Allo is an instant messaging mobile app developed by Google. Allo was launched on September 21st, 2016. What it means? It means Allo provides a smart reply. Means you have seen maybe GIFs and emoticons, which we are not, when we are not writing the reply with text, then we can send the emoticons or the images and the moving GIF pictures on the by while chatting with your friends. And Allo allows you to express yourself better with stickers, doodle and emoji. Allo provides a smart reply, and it is based on the phone number, not by the social media or email account. Allo also lets the user draw a photo before sending them, as you are using Doodle by the pen and everything that you can do by the help of Google Allo. Next we have Google Duo. Google Duo is a high quality video calling app. Nowadays we are using so many video apps to for learning and for the conversing with your friends and relatives also. So Google Duo is one of them. It's a simple, reliable and works on both Android also and iOS phones also. So that's all for today, children. We will meet in next section. By that time you have to listen the video carefully and read your chapter till here. So till then, take care. Goodbye, good day.